Hello friends, today I am on my first solo trip to Thattekad Bird Sanctuary, also known as Salim Ali Bird Trails. So tighten your straps cause we are going for a jungle walk. There are precautions in the jungle. Observe total silence and discipline in the area. Do not wear colorful clothes and avoid perfumes while visiting the forest. Do not litter or pollute. And obviously no smoking and no alcohol consumption. Always carry a field guide to spot the birds, animals and plants. Keep the area plastic free. To walk in the Thattekad trails, you need to collect the ticket from the office. For an adult, it charges about 50 rupees and there are extra charges to carry the camera. With 2500, you can stay for a night in Thattekad. They have got the facility to spend the night. I will show you in the way. Bird Sanctuary is located about 12 kilometers from Kodamangalam, Ernakulam district, Kerala. The nearest railway station is Aluva. Thattekad literally means flat forest. The region is deciduous but generally moist, low forest surrounding the Periyar river. Thattekad Bird Sanctuary is the first bird sanctuary in Kerala, covering about 25 km square. Salim Ali, one of the best known ornithologists, described the sanctuary as the richest bird habitat in peninsular India. Now the question arises, who is Salim Ali? Salim Moizuddin Abdul Ali was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist, sometimes referred to as the Birdman of India. Salim Ali was the first Indian to conduct systematic bird surveys across India and wrote several bird books that popularized ornithology in India. The Thattekad Bird Sanctuary has rich and varied bird lives. Several species of birds, both forest birds as well as water birds, visit the sanctuary. To date, 271 bird species have been reported from the sanctuary, including some globally threatened and restricted range species. Remember I mentioned you can spend a night? This is the facility where you can spend a night with 2500 rupees. Early morning is the best time to visit sanctuary as birds are more active at feeding time, and the afternoon is also good. The trail area is thick forest with plenty of wildlife and reptiles, so visitors have to leave the sanctuary before 6 p.m.